Hello there, my name is Miss Canham.
Hi, my name is Miss Miller.
Yo, 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 it's Mr. M.
Hi, my name is Miss Blackwell.
Hi, my name is Miss Sider.
Hi, my name is Miss Pick.
I am Mr. Senaratna.
This is my first year at Blakelock.
This is my second year at Blakelock.
This is my 15th year at Blakelock.
I've been teaching here for 18 years.
I have been working at Blakelock 18 years.
And this is my 20th year here at Blakelock.
This is my 21st year here at Blakelock.
I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win.
I'm going to win today
Because I love to dance.
I'm just here to have fun.
Because I'm the youngest in the department and I have the best dance moves.
Because I don't like losing.
Because I am the coolest, hippest, smoothest cat you ever saw.
So today I want to enjoy. I am looking forward to see my math department colleagues' incredible moves and fun-filled actions. Let's enjoy. Thank you.